So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 and how to do this. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to this URL. Make sure you type it exactly as it is. It should be same, no other changes, and you will be loaded into this page. Just scroll down a bit till you find Office, Home and Business 2024. What you need to do is click on this Buy Now button and then simply add your details and just pay for this. And once you complete the purchase and confirm it, it will automatically be added in your PC and will be ready to install. Just install it in your PC and start using it. And yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide in this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.